back to our educational video series. I'm Rachel. Today, we'll be talking about the differences between central impression and inline printing presses. CI and inline presses are not entirely different. As the only manufacturer of both types of printing presses, PCMC is uniquely positioned to compare and contrast the two technologies. Traditionally, inline presses were confined to narrow web applications like tag and label printing. However, inline presses have expanded their reach into wider formats and diverse markets such as flexible packaging. So you might ask, where do the two technologies overlap and where do they diverge? Obviously, web width is a major factor. Product and production needs may force you to inline or CI simply based on web width needs. Inline presses are known for having a larger footprint. However, the height of the machine is significantly smaller. All print decks are at waist or chest height, making it easier to do a changeover. Inline presses are the better option for any secondary process, such as backside printing, cold foil, or inline coating and lamination. Inline presses are generally considered more flexible because the press can be configured for more custom applications, including the integration of digital, gravure, or screen printing. This also makes it easier to add die cutting or sheeting. Inline presses do not hold as tight of print registration, especially on extensible light gauge films. On the other hand, CI presses most times have a smaller footprint, but depending on the print repeat, a ladder or lift may be required to access the upper print decks due to the height of the machine. This could possibly limit changeover flexibility, but smaller CI presses made for quick changeovers can reduce this limitation. CI presses have the ability to run a wider range of web widths and run faster speeds, especially extensible materials like polyethylene. This is because the web is supported by the drum throughout the entire printing process. Since the web is supported by the drum, print registration is much tighter, and register performance of plus or minus 1 thou can be held. As a result, extended gamut printing is typically run on a CI press. Therefore, they tend to be able to provide high volume print capacity to the market. One challenge to a CI press related to backside printing is that the converter either needs to add a large outboard print deck or run the material through the machine in a second pass. In closing, both CI and inline printing processes have their distinct advantages. And as usual, it is all about your business needs to determine which best fits your applications. It is always best to research and understand differences in technologies before making the leap into one or another. I hope that I've been able to help you take that step in this journey today. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for more from our educational video series. We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.